Hello, everyone, and welcome. It's Kelly, and I'm so glad to have you here for day 4 of the Honeybee Stamps Vintage Holiday Release. It will be available on October the 14th at honeybeestamps.com. First up, I have today a new collection going along with our big pickup stamps and coordinating dies, and this is called Loads of Holiday Cheer. Now here's a look at our big pickup tailgate, and we have lots of add-on sets that make it easy for you to add cute little loads to the back end and to the front of your big pickup. So let's take a look at our Loads of Holiday Cheer stamps and coordinating dies. So this is everything holiday to load up into your pickup. There are piles of gifts, a Christmas tree, some cute little elves that you can have stacking those gifts up ready for Santa to deliver. There's also a little Santa face that you can see up there towards the top, so you can pop him right into the front, driving away in that cute little big pickup. There's also all types of greenery and lights and little words that you can add into the license plate. Now the coordinating die set is going to cut out every image of that stamp set, so it makes it so easy to add all types of loads of holiday cheer into your big pickup. You can see this card here by Joy. You can see Santa has his big pickup loaded down and ready to go. This next stamp set is called Sleigh Bells Ring, and it creates a vintage sled with all types of little decorations, just like you see nowadays to decorate a front porch or the inside of your holiday doorway. But there is the sled itself, there's ice skates, little sleigh bells, greenery, a wreath, and some little sentiments there that go on a banner. Now the coordinating die that you can see there has all of the little pieces to cut out that vintage sled along with the wreath and the banner. I'm going to create a card with this stamp set and some of the other products in this release at the end of this video, and so I hope you'll stick around and join me for that. Here's a beautiful inspiration card from design team member Alba. You can see she's made a minty green sled with glitter and red and added "Have yourself a merry little Christmas." Now the next stamp set is a newbie to our Riding By collection that goes along with our Bicycle Builder die set. And this is everything holiday. It's called Riding By Holiday Style, and there's everything you need to decorate your cute little bicycle. There's gifts, there's even a little puppy there that will fit into the little basket. Now here's a look at that original Bicycle Builder die, and you can see how things are designed to go down into the little basket, and then the sentiments wrap around the bicycle tire. So let's take another close-up look here. There's a Christmas tree, there's a champagne or wine bottle with glasses, there's gifts, and then of course all of those sentiments that will wrap right around that tire. Now the coordinating die set is going to cut out everything that you see in that stamp set, and so it makes it super easy to build the sweetest little holiday style bicycle. Now here is a inspiration card from design team member Mari. I love the colors that she's chosen here. She's got a green glittered bicycle, some poinsettias, and then happy holidays wrapped around the little tire there. Now it's that time of year to start planning our holiday gifts and wrapping and tags. And this is our Tag Your It collection. This is the Tag Your It holiday stamps and coordinating dies. You can see all those little stamps that are designed to fit on our Tag Builder dies. So there are many dies included in this tag die set, and then many stamps, as you can see there to the right, that are going to coordinate and fit onto your tags. Now there's also the coordinating die set that goes along with that holiday edition stamp set, so you can add dimension right into your tags. Now this is the Tag Your It Celebrations stamps and coordinating dies. So this is everything celebrate, everything from weddings to birthdays to happy couple, happy birthday to you, welcome to a baby. There's also a coordinating die set with this one, so super easy to add a cute little dimension and those die cuts right onto your tag builder dies. So let me give you a look at all the Tag Your It collection. So we have the holiday style and also celebrations. Now here are some beautiful tags by design team member Keiko. She's done some basic tags using our tag builders there at the bottom, and then she's added some of our sentiments onto cute little mugs and made gift tags with those. Now, this stencil set is called the Layering Ornament Stencils. This creates the most beautiful layered vintage ornaments. As you can see, there's many different shapes here. There's lots of little detail layers. So whether you want to use your inks and blend on different colored inks, or you want to use your glitter and glitz gels, these make the most beautiful ornaments. So I'm going to show you some examples of some ornaments that we've put together here. Now, these are the graphics that will be included at honeybeestamps.com when you look for that product. It will be easy for you to look these up to see what layers go with what and how you can blend those together. Now, here is a beautiful card from design team member Ilda. You can see she's done rainbow ornaments with glitz gel on top and added pearls and gems for sparkle. Okay, as I mentioned at the start of this video, I'm going to create a card using this Sleigh Bells ring stamp and coordinating die set, along with some of our beautiful pattern paper from the Vintage Holiday 6x6" paper pad. And to start this card out, I am going to stamp the layers for the sled. Now you can see that I have stamped the base layer for that sled in gathered twigs. I added some color to the top or the little handle portion. I've stamped that in red, and all these stamped images are available in that stamp set. Next, I'm adding wood grain onto the sled with some ground espresso ink. That's a darker ink, so it makes that wood grain really show up on your layered sled. I have stamped the cute little skates and die cut those out, and I'm adding those onto the front of my little sled. And I've also used the coordinating die for the sled. You can see it cuts right around the sides, and I love how it cuts the little openings there out around the handle and the top. And I am using some red jute to make the rope handle that goes around both the top of the sled so you can hang it, but I'm also making a little banner. So my banner is going to say Merry, and I'm kind of eyeballing it using the coordinating die that goes with the banner word. And after I get that jute attached, I'm going to go ahead and attach my sled onto my pattern paper so I can start working with it that way. You can see my little fine jute that I have hanging there. And I need a spot to hang my sled, like it's hanging on the wall or hanging on the front porch, whatever you want to do. But I thought it would be cute to add a brad up there. So I poked a hole in my pattern paper with my little Honeybee Stamps die pick tool. And then I'm adding a silver brad. And I'm going to flip it over and spread out the little tabs on the back of that brad. And then I have the perfect spot again to use some of that really fine red jute to add a little hanging rope or handle onto my sled. So I'm going to pull out the pieces and kind of wrap it around the brad, and then I'm going to tuck those right in behind my sled, and then you can see how it looks like that is just hanging up there. Now, to get those little pieces of jute to kind of stay in place, I add some of our Be Creative Precision Tip liquid glue and use my Honeybee Stamps reverse tweezers to just make everything stay into place there. Now you can see I have cut out my Sentiment Merry. There's a die that cuts the little banner words that go across there. And I am adding those to the little bit of jute that I added across the front of the little sled. And I just use my die to kind of get the placement and everything right for the merry words. Next, I'm adding a couple of sprigs of greenery and a poinsettia, and I already have my little skates ready to go. And here I need to add just a little more glue back there and use my tweezers just to tuck everything in and squeeze it into place. Next, I'm going to add my pattern paper that has my cute little sled on it onto some red cardstock that is cut with our stitched and scalloped rectangle dies. I think that pop of red and the little scallop just adds a really nice detail to the edge of the card. Next, I need the word Christmas, and I am going to use the Tag Your It holiday stamps. It has the nice little fine word Christmas there, and I'm going to heat emboss this with white embossing powder. So I'm just using my anti-static powder to treat that black paper, stamp it with my sticky ink, add the white embossing powder, and then that Tag Your It stamp set has coordinating dies. So it was really easy to cut out the word Christmas. I didn't need to try to trim it out and make it look perfect. The die helped me do that. And now with a little bit of foam tape, I can add my Christmas right there onto the front of my card, above the skates and below the Mary. So now I have that cute little Mary banner that again is in the Sleigh Bells Ring stamp set, and then Christmas. Now I can use my liquid glue to glue that whole red panel onto some white cardstock. And I love how you can kind of see the white card base there behind, the red, and then that beautiful vintage holiday pattern paper. I'm going to get this all flipped around for you, and then you can see all the beautiful dimension and layers there with the Sleigh Bells Ring stamp and coordinating die set. Now here's one final close-up look at the card using the Sleigh Bells Ring stamps and coordinating dies, and I hope that you have enjoyed this week going all through our vintage holiday release. I hope you'll join us tonight, October 14th, on Instagram when we will have our release party. So I hope you'll come join us for lots of fun and giveaways, and then our products will be available at honeybeestamps.com right after our party. Thanks for joining me this week, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye-bye.